Hmm. Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Analytics with Excel Lab. Today I am going to explain the 12th program, Generation of Report and Presentation using the Auto Filter and Macro. So first open the Microsoft Excel. So here we have the data. The fields are name, department and position. First we ensure that your data is organized in a tabular format with header of each column. Include all relevant information that you want to include in your report. Hmm. Apply auto filter. Select your data range. Select your data range. Go to the data on the Excel ribbon and select the click on the filter button. This will add a filter arrow to the header of your data column. So here is the select the all the cell. So here is the field name header of your data column is filter arrow. Click your filter data. Click on the filter arrow in the header of the column you want to filter. So select all means I want only Amrita's and Manu's data. So I will select only the Amrita and Manu's data and click on OK. It will display only the Amrita and Manu's data information. Next, clear the filter. So all the employees data will be displayed. Next, choose the criteria. Choose the criteria you want to filter. Apply the filter to narrow down your data to the desired subset. This is how we apply for the filter for the fields. Next, record macro. So here we are writing name as Hanu, department Hanu, department as sales, position as developer. So record, go to view in the toolbar, select the macros. In the macros, click on the record macro. So here we have update, rename macro name as update. So next click on OK. Next here Control Shift Q, shortcut keys Control Shift plus Q, then click on OK. So click on OK. Next, and select this row, copy, and here click on right button and insert. Here click on here, enter the row, insert the row, entire row. Okay, here we are insert the one row. Select all this data, Control C and paste here. Select this option for transpose T to paste. So the data is paste here. Then go to then go to developer. Select an option as insert. Select the control forms of first option button form control and write a button here. So select updated and click on OK. So here the button 1 is created. Here rename this as ABC, IT, IT, next, replace the developer as staff. So when I click the button 1, it will replace as the year. Stop the record. Stop the macros recording. Then go to developers. Select insert. Select the button and draw the box. Updated. Okay. Next. Here rename as staff. Then click on button 2. Here the row is automatically inserted. So this is how the macro recording is done. Thank you.